Hey, this is not a sloppy Joe. This is not a package from CDJapan.
It is a package.
This is not a box.
It is a box. Daddy's trying to trick all of you in the internet world.
This is not frustrating me.
Nope. He's not telling you, but it really is frustrating him. Daddy, why do you keep lying?
This is not a CD.
He's not telling you, just as I said.
This is not a business. Their new album, Death March. Better version to look at. These are not the members of This Is Not a Business.
It is. It is the members.
This is not the artwork. These are not concert photos.
Those are concert photos.
These are not the lyrics.
Those are the lyrics, Dad. Why are you lying so much?
This is not the end.